Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make taskbar transparent in Windows 11. So firstly click on start, then type store, open Microsoft Store. Now search one application, translate translucent. So open translucent. Select this first one. Click on free. Then click on launch. Click on yes. So as we can see now this taskbar is transparent. So hopefully guys you like this video. By these simple and easy steps we can know how to make taskbar transparent in Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.